Again, Noble Soko.
Southern Tamaji.
It is hashtag Asida. We are out at the Dobsonville Stadium for the penultimate round of the DSTV Disky Challenge. A huge fixture coming through this afternoon between Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. Right now, I'm here with the two men who are spearheading these powerful teams. I'll start with you, Sia. Bathe asiqale ngokuthi uyibongele ngoba wena ngathi isakazelo uyashaya.
I mean, ke lo kumede yaphatha imngunda ye siyabonga igama.
Siyabonga Siya. Namhlanje uyazi ukuthi amabhakaniya ame nawe ngoba wonke umuntu ubheke wena ukuthi uzolida i-team kwi-victory. Uyizwa kanjani i-pressure namhlanje?
No, what's in today is Kaizer Chiefs, like it's a normal game, normal league game. Sifuna ukuwina ukuthi ubani ufuna ukuwina league kwenzakalani asidini. Because this is prepared ukuwina nathi yabo.
Siyazi ukuthi okwamanje niyama-champion but unfortunately angeke nize niyiwine this year i-league. Awungitshele ngemoral ukuthi imoral injani ecampini, nizizwa kanjani niyi-Kaizer Chiefs okwamanje?
Oh, we are like this season, like disappointed because like from winning the league to this year not chasing the change, that's not winning the league. But like disappointed, but then like I say I should die. So doing it for next time. Next season.
Ngoba sengizoyiletha la kuwe umuntu manje one-responsibility enkulu ukuthi uvimbele labafana oSiya ukuthi bakore namhlanje. I-mindset yakho okwamanje ime kanjani?
Okwamanje engakusho ukuthi i-Chiefs ngibona njengabantu they have nothing to lose while we have much to lose. So according to the game we have to focus a lot. We really need these 3 points because if we don't manage to get a win today, I think Pirates will be champions. So for today's game, I think everything is complicated, but then we will just play our football. We know how to play, we analyze them, everything is going to be nice. What I like about this game is that there's going to be a lot of quality. Yeah, that's what I like.
And siyazi ukuthi kule team lena ne-senior team ikhona isikhona ngempela iningi but nobabili nina ne-senior team nime kwi-position efanayo ukuthi ni-contender ne-Pirates nge-league. Awungitshele if une-opportunity ukukhuluma nabo abafana be-senior ozobatshelani le ezobagqugquzela ukuthi bafane nani ba-keep cool?
Engakusho nje kuma-first team players ukuthi I know what they are capable of, so they must keep pushing. As long as we are keep pushing in the Disky team, I think also they must do well in the first team so that they keep the motivation high. Like sometimes we get a chance to train with them, so they also give us the motivation to carry on playing well and winning games. Like in this situation, it's a war, I can say. It's a war. That in the Disky and in the first team. That's what I can say.
Now May is the month of mayhem and sivala amakapa amaningi, sivala ama-league amaningi. Akithi sisuke kancane siyofocus kule ekuthiwa i-Champions League. Siya ngizoqala ngawe, awungitshele kulama team awu-4 asele wena ubona bani ozophumelela kwi-Champions League?
PSG.
PSG. Athi ngilethe kuwe ngqabane kwespeed. Ubona bani ozophumelela kwi-Champions League?
I don't need the PSG.
It's PSG. Ayike uzweleke kubafana khona la at Dobsonville Stadium. All the action will be coming to you live on your World of Champions. It is Kaizer Chiefs taking on Mamelodi Sundowns.